Welcome back, Tip Squad. We're back with another video today. So today we're back at Red Breed today. We are back at Red Breed's clubhouse here, and my girl Shay entered into the sound competition, the loudest competition. Don't let me tell you a story. Anyway, where you play your speakers, you know, see who has the loudest system. And she entered her bike into it. So I'm out here to give her some support and to be here with her. And of course, I'll be back out tonight to hang with my girls DJ and Shay. We're coming to the party tonight. Still deciding if I want to ride my bike or drive my truck. But they're like, you're riding your bike. So we'll see how that goes. But we'll take a walk around and kind of like look around and see how things are going. And let you guys get acquainted and see what's going on out here today. And I came out here, have my husband here with me, and my kids are out here with us. So, of course, they're around the whole bike experience too. Other than that, like, it's a good time as always. I don't know where my kids and my husband disappeared to, but I gotta walk around and find them around here and see what amazing. What's up?
How you doing?
Hey, how you doing today?
All right. I'm gonna be on YouTube.
Yes, you are. This is going on YouTube.
I'm subscribed to your channel too.
You are?
Yes,
Thank you. Please keep watching. I'm definitely gonna keep shooting these videos. What's your name? Charles. Jason. Rodney?
Yes.
Nice meeting you guys.
Nice to meet you.
I hope to see you guys around.
Absolutely.
Thank you. So I'm walking up to go find my family. They disappeared on me. I don't know where they went. Oh, getting some food. Let's see what they got. I don't know what the heck they ended up eating, but we gonna find out. What'd y'all get?
Chicken.
You got some food, Trinity? You happy?
Yeah.
Yeah. You happy, Tiki? Oh, I said happy.
I got french fries and hot dog.
Hot dog? Okay, cool. What'd you get, T? Hot dog too? My kids love to eat, guys. And Daddy saves the day.
Right. She was so.
You what? So we walking back.
How you doing? Say happy in the bear, got a meeting. Let's go.
Hey, y'all can bring them in. Y'all ain't got no respect out there. I ain't ask y'all for no damn money.
We don't give a damn what you
Y'all ain't got to stand way back there. Come on up here and get in this competition. Hey, y'all gather around. Let's get this thing popping.
Now you ain't good there. Order two.
I bet you can. Tell him. Give him the $1. Give him my money. Let's go get it. Let's go get it. That ain't my problem. You said you can buy it. I'm asking you.
I get my brother ride for me.
What did he just say? He can buy it.
He can't back, but
I ain't asking you, bro. I'm asking you.
but he into this.
I got one. That ain't a
Can you take that shit home? Let's see. Can you take it home? Let's see now. Hey, I want everybody in the church to be quiet.
Right now. You good?
This is what I love when female get in the game. That's what I'm talking about. 2 90-second plays. 2 90-second plays.
So we saw my girl Shay enter into the sound competition. Fortunately, she didn't win, but that's okay. She was the only woman that was in it, so kudos to her. And so later on the night, I think that's about closes it out for today. Thanks again, Tip Squad, for hanging out with me today. Of course, you see I drove my baby today, Trackhawk. I'm definitely gonna make a video on it one day. I'll show you guys the inside, you know, and all the good stuff about it. But anyways, make sure you guys like the video, comment below, subscribe. Make sure you tell somebody to come and visit us and hang out with Tip Squad, because I think we definitely have a good time. Until next time, guys, thank you. Bye.